In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a form to your WordPress site using Form to Email. There are two ways to create form in WordPress using Form to Email. Step number 1, adding form using Form to Email plugin. Step number 2, adding form using Elementor. Let's go to Form to Email and copy our form code. Then head over to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins, add a new plugin. And then search for Form to Email plugin and install it. Once it's installed, we can go to the plugin and click on it. On the plugin page, click on Add New to add our form. Name the form and then paste the code in the HTML code section. Once we paste the code, we can click on Save. Once we saved it, we will have a shortcode. Copy the code. Then go to Pages and add a new contact page or use an existing one. In this case, we will create a new page and paste it there. Save it and preview your form. Let's go back to Form to Email, copy our form code, then go back to WordPress. Go to Pages and create a contact form page. Save it. Then click on Edit with Elementor. Once you land on Elementor dashboard, add a new section. On the left side panel, click on Widgets. Scroll down to HTML codes, drag it into the section, and copy the code in the HTML section. Then preview our form. The next step now is to go ahead and configure the form and verify our email before testing the form. Let's go to our form and click on Configuration on the form number we have on our website. On the configuration page, by default, some features are on when you create a form, so leave them on. Go through the list of features and select the ones you need for your form type by turning them on. To understand more about each feature, click on the Show Help button on the side to read more about the feature. For the Google reCAPTCHA, domain and site domain features under the spam protection, just make sure you enter the URL for your form as the same format shown in the Show Help area next to the features. Let's enter our URL in our Google reCAPTCHA and the site domain. Once we are done, we can save all changes. Our form configuration is now complete. Now let's verify the email we want to use for our form. Enter your preferred email in the email field. Click Verify Email Addresses at the top right corner. In the drop-down, enter the same preferred email again. Click on the Verify Email Addresses button below. The following message will pop up: an email has been sent to your email for verification. Log in to the email you entered and check if the verification email is in your inbox. Once you receive the verification email in your inbox, follow the instruction given in the email by clicking on the link to complete the verification process. Go back to the form configuration page on your form and save all changes. Now let's test our form. Fill in the form with your detail. Select the reCAPTCHA box to show you are not a bot. Click the Submit button and that's it. Our form is submitted. We can log into our Form to Email account to see if we have received a form submission in our account. On our form, we will click on Submission. This will bring us here to the submission page, where we will see all forms submitted. Our form has been successfully submitted.